Come with me on this video walk-around tour on this Monterey 233 Explorer deck boat. It's a 2004. We see she's sitting on a tandem axle painted trailer with aluminum wheels. Moving forward, we see we've got stainless steel fittings and hardware all the way around. Trailer even comes with a spare tire and a ladder to access the bow. As we access the bow, we see we have a forward boarding ladder and our anchor locker right there. Notice we have non-skid aggressive decking so the kids can jump on and off easily and safely. We also have forward docking lights, and if you notice the snaps, we have a bow cover to block off the wind. Once aboard the Monterey 233 Explorer deck boat, we see we have lots of amenities. Right in front of us, on that step, we have an ice chest, both port and starboard seats with grab rails for our passengers' comfort. Nice little cocktail table. Moving aft, we have our windshield. Nice tinted glass on that. Closes for a more sporty look and opens up for a nice walkthrough. We also have here a wind door, so when it's cold, close the windshield, open this, and it blocks wind. Moving forward, we've got the helm here. We see our gauges, RPM, speedometer, depth sounder, trim level, voltmeter, fuel, and oil pressure. We also have a compass and a little Garmin GPS right there. Our stereo controls are right at hand. We have a nice tilt steering wheel, and this engine system is set up with the Nutrisalt system to flush your engines. Here are a swivel helm seat with a thigh-rise bolster for our driver's convenience. We have a U-shaped lounger right here. We also have two filler cushions, so this area can be filled in for a complete lounge area. Engine access is right here. Just remove the seat, lift, and we have access to the engine compartment. We've got two batteries. There's our bilge pump. This boat is very well powered with a 5.7 Volvo Penta GI, and our water tank is off to one side. Nice and clean in here. Once out on the transom, we see we have an extended swim platform. Notice the outdrive is fully covered. Back here, we have our swim ladder and a nice folding handle to make it easy to hoist ourselves. We also have a transom shower and storage to serve as an ice chest and additional storage back here. Coming back around to port, we see we have stereo controls back here. There's also an aft shower. There's our swivel passenger seat with a nice little sink. And then behind here, this is a ladies like it feature. We have a porta potty with yet another sink in there. The porta potty has a through hole fitting for easy pump out. We also have a full cover for the boat for storage and a cockpit cover back here. This concludes our video tour on this Monterey 233 for sale at South Mountain Yachts.